Lesson 5, Game Mode. Hello again and welcome back to GoMining Basics course. In previous lessons, we covered the GoMining ecosystem and specifically how digital miners work, the way the features complement each other and the ways you can boost your earnings. The next step is to learn about Game Mode, where you can earn Bitcoin and GoMining tokens while playing Miner Wars, GoMining's free competitive blockchain-based game that simulates Bitcoin mining through team battles. In this lesson, you'll learn what Game Mode is, how Miner Wars creates competitive opportunities, core mechanics behind Miner Wars, how to pick the right approach based on your goals. Let's dive in. Difference between mining and game modes. GoMining offers you two distinct paths to interact with Bitcoin mining through two modes. The first one is mining mode, our default mode, where your Bitcoin rewards can be projected based on your miner specs and market conditions. This is your go-to mode if you prefer a passive, individual approach to earning Bitcoin. Everything we discussed in the previous lessons goes under this category. Your terahashes and energy efficiency directly reflect on your rewards. The second path is game mode. This mode is a more competitive way to mine Bitcoin in the GoMining ecosystem through the Miner Wars game. The best part is that you don't have to make a lifetime commitment. You can easily switch from mining mode to Miner Wars at any time. Let's explore Miner Wars in more detail. Miner Wars is a free, blockchain-based game within the GoMining ecosystem where players unite in clans to battle for Bitcoin rewards. The game simulates real Bitcoin mining. You and your clan participate in collective mining, building up the prize pool during the week. At the end of the week, all winners get their share of the prize pool. As an individual, you can actively influence outcomes through strategy and special game mechanics during each round. As a result, you can earn Bitcoin through clan battles and GoMining tokens for personal competition victories. How to start playing. Step 1. Log in or sign up to the GoMining ecosystem and select Miner Wars in the main menu. Step 2. You'll need your own digital miner to enter the game. Note that bonus miners have some limitations and we'll cover these later. Step 3. To start playing, you must join a clan or create your own clan if you have Gold 1 or higher VIP status. When choosing a clan, you have two options. Public clans, you can join these instantly. Moderated clans, where you need to send a request and get an approval from a clan owner. Some clan owners set minimum requirements for your miner's power and your GoMining token balance. If you don't meet these requirements, you won't be able to join or send a request. Please note that once you join a clan, you'll stop receiving daily rewards from mining mode. Now that you know how to join the game, let's learn more about the main mechanics of Miner Wars. Miner Wars game mechanics. Game cycle and rounds. Miner Wars is built around weekly cycles and continuous game rounds. Each cycle runs from Tuesday midnight UTC to the following Tuesday midnight UTC. A cycle consists of rounds. Each round begins and ends with the closure of a real Bitcoin block on the blockchain, so round durations are unpredictable. Winners are selected in each round, but distribution of the rewards takes place at the end of each cycle. Scoring. Your goal is to accumulate as many points as possible in each round. Points are generated automatically based on your points per second rate, PPS. So your round score increases every second according to your PPS rate. To calculate your PPS, we use power of your miners and their average energy efficiency. The full formula is PPS equals your power multiplied by base energy efficiency over your energy efficiency, where base energy efficiency is a fixed constant, 28 watts per terahash. In simple terms, miners with higher power and better energy efficiency earn points faster, giving their owners an advantage in every round. Just like individual players, each clan also has its own PPS. It's the combined PPS of all clan members. Spells and power-ups. To gain an advantage, players can use spells and power-ups, which are paid, time-based effects that help you earn points faster. For example, Power Boost adds extra points to your score every second until the round ends, making it most effective when activated early, while Instant Boost adds a large amount of points directly to your score with a 3-second delay and works well for catching up in a round. Make sure to have GoMining tokens on your balance, as spells and power-ups are purchased with GoMining tokens only. Leagues. All Miner Wars gameplay takes place within leagues, competitive divisions where both players and clans battle for rewards. Leagues define the level of challenge and possible size of rewards. There are 4 leagues, ranked from elite to beginner. Odyssey, limited to 50 clans. Eclipse, limited to 50 clans. Horizon, limited to 50 clans. Dune, unlimited capacity with multiple divisions. Dune division system. Dune operates differently from other leagues. Multiple divisions of roughly 50 clans. Each division has its own prize fund. Divisions are reshuffled every cycle to keep competition fair. promotion and demotion. At the end of each weekly cycle, clans move up or down between leagues depending on their performance. League movement. Between Odyssey, Eclipse, and Horizon, exactly 5 clans move up or down each cycle. Between Horizon and Dune, the number of promoted and demoted clans changes each cycle based on active Dune divisions. Round multipliers. Each round comes with a reward multiplier, which increases the earnings accordingly if you and your clan wins the round. The size of the multiplier depends on the league and can range from x1 to x256. What you need to keep in mind. Higher league equals higher possible multiplier. Bigger multiplier equals bigger impact on your total rewards. Winners, selection algorithm. Now that you understand the core mechanics of Miner Wars, let's explore the most crucial part, how the game determines winners. This system combines your gaming performance with real Bitcoin blockchain data to create a fair and transparent selection process. How clans win. When each round ends, the game calculates scores to find the winning clan. Here's how it works. Step 1, we combine all clan scores to find the total round score. Step 2, we use Bitcoin blockchain for fair selection. Block hash, our system takes the hash from the latest Bitcoin block and converts it to a decimal number. Remainder calculation, we divide this decimal number by the total score. The remainder from this division is the winning number. Step 3, split total round score into intervals assigned to clans and players in a random order, according to their scores. Step 4, find winner, the clan and the player whose interval contains this winning number win the round. At this point, we've covered all the basics of Miner Wars. For more details, please check our blog, GoMining Academy product guides, and our FAQ. See you in the next lesson.